When it comes to passing your JAMB, you have to be smart. Whether you're a boy or you're a girl, you cannot enter the JAMB hall and start dulling. No. JAMB is not for the weak. I am going to teach you few things you need to do once you are in the JAMB hall. You need to be very, very, very smart. I've seen people that prepared for 6 months, prepared for 1 year, and when they enter the JAMB hall, they mess up. Very intelligent people, very intelligent people, yet they fumble inside the JAMB hall because they are not smart. So you and all the members of this YouTube channel, I am going to teach you right now in this short video how to enter the JAMB hall and be smart. Even if you are not very, very intelligent, even if you have not covered all the scheme, there are a few things you can do, smart ways. You know, it's not just about working hard. There is also what we call smart work. It's not just about being intelligent. It's not just about reading all the books. It's also about being very smart. So let me give you the things you need to do once you finally find yourself inside the JAMB hall. Of course, you should believe in yourself. I've always emphasized believing in yourself, so I won't talk about that. The number one is a secret many of you don't know is to start with your easiest subject. Some people say you must start with use of English. It is not a must. Some of you are very poor in use of English, but you know, among these subjects that you entered, you did a subject combination, okay? You did those combinations. You chose 4 subjects, use of English and 3 other subjects. So sit yourself down. This is something I encourage you. You need to decide on this even before you step into the JAMB hall. Write down your 4 subjects and decide the order through of which you will attempt them. You will answer questions in them. Am I going to start? For those of you that are, maybe if you are science and you are doing English language, biology, physics, chemistry, you can say, okay, once I enter the JAMB hall, I am not good in physics, but I'm good in biology. I'm also good in chemistry, and then use of English, then physics. You can say, once I enter the JAMB hall, I want to start with biology and smash it, get maximum point in biology. Put that one for pockets. Then you now rush, go to your next easiest subject, which could be chemistry. Smash it, get maximum point as much as you can in that one. Then go to the next one. That is how you should. I encourage you. The secret, I've said this in a previous video. I encourage you to, once you jam the system is already on, start with your easiest subject. Decide on this even before you enter the JAMB hall. This is very important. Do you understand? The next thing is to be very, very, very time conscious. Be extremely time conscious. Once you enter the exam hall, and they on your system, you have done your biometrics, they have confirmed you, and you are sitting down, you should be on the know that once the system is on, you have only 2 hours, 120 minutes. So the time will start ticking. Every second counts. You are running against the time. Time starts running immediately. Once you start writing, once the system is on, whether you are writing or not, whether you are answering or not, whether you are sleeping, whether you are playing, whether you are serious or not, the computer time will keep running. So you don't have time. You don't have time. Time is going. Once you enter, start with your subject that you are strong in and try to get maximum point. And don't spend too much time. Maybe you enter and spend 10 minutes praying. They have on your system, and you are spending 10 minutes or 5 minutes in praying or blasting in tongues or calling your God. No, I've taught you that prayer is very important, but prayer should be done before you enter the JAMB hall. You can do it a night before you enter the JAMB hall, or 1 hour before you enter into the hall. You can say a word of prayer, believe God. God is already with you. So once you enter, start writing, start solving, start answering the questions. Don't waste even 1 second. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, there are questions you may not know. Okay, now Once you enter the JAMB hall, there are questions you may not know. There are tough questions. There are some questions you did not even read it. No matter your preparation, you did not even encounter it in your syllabus, in the past question. It just came from the blues, and you are sure you don't know it. Please don't kill all your time in that question. Remember, you don't have time. You have 180 questions to answer in total. In the first subject, a total of 180 questions, and you have only 120 minutes, so you have just 40 seconds. So instead of you don't know this particular question and you spend like 5 minutes only on that question, remember you have other questions that you may know. So what I often advise is, I've done a video on how to guess. Go and look for that video. I've done a video on if you meet a question that you don't know the answer, how to guess the correct answer. I've done a video on that. So there's no need. If you need me to give you a link to the video, you can ask me, or you can search for it in our channel, and you will find it. So don't spend all your time in the difficult question. Maybe they gave you 40 questions, let's say in economics, and you have been preparing very well, watching the videos I've been doing here, all the expo questions, all the videos we've been doing, and you know that you read very well. In the 40 questions, you may know 29 very well. You may have prepared and you know 29, and you just have 11 questions that you don't know very well. Why will you spend all the time troubling yourself or trying to answer that 11 question without first of all securing the 29 marks? You know, the 29 questions you know that you are sure of. Answer it first. Don't waste all the time in the questions you don't know. Of course, you should come back to those questions you don't know and eventually answer them when you are sure you have answered and secured maximum point in all the ones you know. I hope you understand. Do you understand this? Do you understand? If you understand, let me know. Now, the next thing you must do is, there will be distractions in the hall. There will be people that may be crying. There are people that may be shouting. Somebody next to you may be trying to distract you. Somebody, or you may see a beautiful girl. My guys, you may see a fine girl in your front or by your side. Please concentrate. You can talk to her later. You can get her number, WhatsApp number later. But once it is you and your system, please concentrate. Anybody asking you question, anybody making noise, no. Don't focus. I want somebody to shout it in the comment section and say, focus, focus. Leave beautiful girls alone. Somebody type it in the comment section. Leave handsome boys alone. Focus, write your exam. Do you understand? Let nothing distract you, please. After the exam, you can meet the person or somebody is trying to ask you a question. Please answer your question first. Be sure you are done before you look left or right or become a messiah to somebody. Okay? Now, so ignore distractions. Focus on your work. Okay? Then, the next thing that is very important is, I encourage you, don't depend on any expo, don't depend on cramming, don't depend on anybody helping you. Don't depend that Messiah will come from anywhere. No. Finally, don't disobey instructions of the invigilator. If they say before you go, before you enter, do your thumb printing, show them your slip, do that politely. If they say after your exam and you are about to go that you should come and do another thumb printing and do something, I don't know how it will be, but please don't bring bad name to yourself, starting from even the way you dress, shave your hair, just look good, look smart, look respectful. If you enter the hall and they say, please sister, young lady, remove your wristwatch, just comfortably remove it. Don't draw unnecessary attention to yourself. I hope these things I said is important, and I want to pray, I want to declare that this JAMB is your year. I want you to type I claim it in the comment section. Nothing will stop you from scoring 300 and above. Claim it in the comment section. 300 and above, 300 and above, 300 and above. Is somebody claiming it in the comment section? Remember, if you need me to give you access to all the videos we've done on use of English, chemistry, physics, biology, economics, government, literature, you can ask me for them in the comment section. If you want me to give you past question and answer syllabus, I've been giving out free syllabus, free past question. Just become a member of our YouTube channel. Only for those that are members of our YouTube channel, I can give you access to all the videos we've done. I can give you the link to the videos we've done. I can give you past questions and answer. All the videos we've done could be yours, but you need to become a member. So go ahead, you'll become a member when you join our YouTube channel. So click on join our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Do what? Like this video now, share this video now, and subscribe. Once you do that, there's a very, very important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.